was the fact that you can set up your advert and focus more of your budget both on ad level and campaign level. Now let me give you an instance now. So let's say this is a particular, let me delete this advert. So let's say this is a particular ad that I want to set up here. So the first thing you want to do is, if you decide to run with ad set level, you'll see that they will tell you that you should share your budget with other ad sets. So which means that if you are going to be setting up like 3 or 4 ad sets, Facebook is going to use their AI stuff to share among themselves. So this is what I mean. On this campaign level now, I decide to run a website. So under that website, I now have one to three different ad sets. Let's say this particular ad set, I'm deciding that I want to just purchase, and decide to move forward. You set it up now. Now when you now had like another ad set, like let me just duplicate this particular ad set. When you add another ad set like this, Facebook is telling you that based on these options that you tick here, if one ad set one seems as if it's going to perform very well that day, they are going to take 20% of this ad set 2, which is one copy, and they are going to give it to ad set 1 because they feel as if it's going to perform that day. That is what that means. So most times when this happen, let's say you said this is 3,000 something now, so they are still going to add 20% to this if the advert is starting and they realize that this ad set is going to perform more than this. Now the disadvantage of this is that depending on what you are setting for, now if you are in a typical Nigerian scenario whereby you set up a sales page, you still have to call them and the likes, this might not be a very good way to measure it. Yes, it might shows that maybe the cost per conversion is low, the whole thing is making sense here, but if the quality of leads that they will end up showing your advert for to is not the right one, it will end up wasting your money. So most time when it comes to all these, they are automated stuff because of the kind of business you are running. It's a big factor. But if for your business now, they see your advert, they click on it, they go to your Shopify store and they buy directly, then you can implement this and it will be a great addition to you successfully. So thank you and see you in the next video.